going on, guys? Hey, I just read that Brownells is having a sale on ammo barrels when value packs and ammo cans worth just ain't doing it for you. They're now having they look like small 55-gallon drums, and they're the drums. You get either you can get 5.56 XM 855 5.56 NATO, 12,500 rounds in a barrel, or you can get the XM 80 7.62 by 51, which will be 7,500 rounds in a barrel. Which is friggin' awesome for, ammo junkies, like me and, a lot of us. The 12,500 rounds of 5.56 will fill over 416 30-round magazines for the AR, and the 7.62 by 51 will fill 375 20-rounders for like M14, G3, FAL. They are boxer primed, non-corrosive, full metal jackets. They're reloadable. The 5.56, the barrel of 12,500 rounds of 5.56 is going to run you $3,900 on sale at Brownells. The 7.62 by 51, 7,500 rounds, that's going to run you $4,050. So for those of you with deeper pockets than me, you might want to hit up Brownells and order a barrel of ammo. That would be awesome to get. And that's about that. I mean, if you got, $39,000 or $4,000 to spend on ammo one shot, check it out, because the 12,500 rounds of 5.56 sounds awesome to me. But anyway, I'll let you go on this one. I just wanted to let you know that Brownells right now is having a barrel of bullets sale. So either even if you can't afford them, it's cool to just go and check them out, man. Anyway, I'll let you go on this one. Throw a like, subscribe, share, comment, whatever. Tell me to go F off. But either way, I'll let you go, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching, and stay safe. Keep out of trouble.